The condition had really got to a point that it was starting to become critical. So a long campaign took place. It was a complicated purchase. And then the money was secured from the Treasury, which was a further 7.6 million, to do urgent works to really stop the water ingress coming in. It's definitely a long-term project, 20, 30 years to get through the initial work. We'll try and ensure that we do the best job we can in terms of the quality and the standards of the work on the building. There won't be a single-use option. It is just too big. I think it is highly likely that there will be a visitor experience here. We really want to ensure that this site is open to the public. They are in a very poor state of repair, so our primary objective at the moment is to stop the water ingress coming in. We're about to put 14,000 new slates onto the roofs above the room we're in at the moment, and we will be inviting the public to sponsor a message on slates.